because climate change is a reality in Nigeria. We are seeing it through different crises, and even in the global north, it's also a reality. It's a known reality. So why do we have to wait for 2050 in order to achieve carbon neutrality when we can do that right now? We have the tools, we have the leadership, we have what it takes for us to end the climate crisis. So why do we have to play politics? And when it got to 2050, we could also say maybe it's 2090 or whatsoever before we could still act. We don't have to keep postponing climate action into the future. We have to know that this is a time to act, that every day matters, every action matters, every year matters. And so if we wait for 2050, it might be too late for us to be able to achieve the change that we want to achieve. Community like mine might have been swept away by the floods, or there might be so many communities around the world in the global north that might not exist before the 2050. There might be different degradations, there might be different issues. So many cities might have been covered by water, like Lagos to have been predicted to be covered by water before the end of this century. And so we have to act right now and make our commitment to be in short term rather than long term commitment, because all we need right now in solving the climate crisis is in a short term and not long term.